Hi there, I'm Dr. Noelle Nelson, and it's my pleasure to share a few thoughts with you today, some uplifting, inspiring, and practical tips to help you find greater happiness and success in your life. Today's topic: what my rescue puppy taught me about the power of together. A while back, I adopted a rescue dog, a 1-year-old German Shepherd, and as is true of most rescue dogs, he was an anxious, insecure puppy. Nonetheless, as I stood in front of him and gently petted his head, I was surprised when he cringed and backed away. Then I remembered that his experience with humans before his rescue had been less than ideal. Much less. Try chained outside to a post less. So I tried another approach. I waited a moment, then stood by his side, facing in the same direction that he was facing. I reached down and petted his head. No cringing. I petted his long neck and down his back, and soon he was leaning against me, content, no longer insecure. Ah, the power of together. Management studies show that participants who work on a task in separate rooms without visual or any other contact, but are told that they were working together with other participants on the task in questions, worked longer, solved more problems correctly, and felt better at the end of the task than participants who simply worked on a task alone without any mention of together. When I stood next to my dog, my body language said I was his ally, one with him energetically speaking. We were working together, which is something you can do with your partner, your friend, your coworker, your employee, your family, anytime you want to accomplish something that requires someone else's participation. For example, you're at odds with your partner over something. You don't agree on the purchase of a big-ticket item or the choice of schooling for your child or even how to get the housework done. Instead of sitting across the table from each other, or worse, yelling across the room at each other, let your body language signal we're in this together. Sit side by side at a table or on the couch. Share a single notepad or tablet on which you both jot down your ideas or fill in the pro and con columns. These simple physical adjustments are all it takes to get the energy of together going in your discussion, which will make a satisfying resolution flow far more easily. Besides, it's so much more fun to be facing life side by side, pointing in the same direction, don't you think? My dog certainly does. Thank you for listening to Up, and check out my latest book, Phoenix Rising: Surviving Catastrophic Loss, Fires, Floods, Hurricanes, and Tornadoes. If you'd like more uplifting, inspiring, practical tips and techniques, please visit my website, noellenelson.com. Until next time, be well and take care.